Very young lion, but that's a lion track.
Look there, there's some kinds of elk in here though. Over there. Colorado. That's about as pretty as it gets.
That is.
I know, it's good fence here.
How's that taste, Destry?
That's the best wine I've ever had in the world.
Kidding me.
Hailstorm in the mountains.
Unique. Mighty good hailstorm that just came through. Still raining. It seems like the sun's coming out. We could see this one coming. And it seems like we might get a couple more today, so gonna try to stay as dry as possible. But as you can see, get a little bit wet.
I bet you it's 15 degrees cooler.
Definitely cooled down.
You can just feel that storm just sucked. Could you feel it? It just sucked the heat out of the air.
Okay, we got camp set up. Got some stuff drying out over here. Destry has some stuff drying out. And if you look back in here, we put the food up off the ground to keep the bears from coming in and getting it. So we heard a couple bugles. We're going to go head on out and see if we can't call in an elk.
Yeah, it's one. I don't think that's the same one, but that's a little bull. He's coming though. You see him, man?
Yeah, I see him good.
I think he's coming though.
Yes, he is, Destry. This little bull's all pissed off. He's raking the ground. He's hitting that oak brush up with his antlers. Definitely. Here it comes.
Goodbye, you're dead. I could have shot him.
Yes, you could have. Ah, that was awesome.
Pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
I almost let go.
Whew, my heart is pounding hard.
What do you think, Mr. Ben?
Love it.
That elk broadside at probably 20.
Yeah, public land hunting, Destry. That's pretty good.
That's a successful elk hunt right there.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, that bull's that was the 4-point that we saw below. So we may get a chance at something else up here. So.
Second rainbow. Hey, it's dinner tonight. Lasagna, to say with meat and sauce. And we're gonna have some MREs also, some Mexican rice, and we're both having pasta with vegetables and Alfredo style sauce.
Alrighty.
Seems like a winner. Wow.
$300 boots that are wet.
Third day of the hunt. Hopefully we can find a bigger bull today. You can see the skies look like they opened up a lot. Hopefully we don't get any rain. Everything's still wet. If you look on the ground, it was a cold night. We still have a lot of ice left over from that hailstorm. We heard one here bugling at camp. We're going to go up in the mountain, see if we can't catch up with them. He sounded like a pretty good one. Across that ridge.
Yeah, they're going a bit.
I just saw. Do you see that? Look like a bull. There's the bull. I see him, Destry.
I can one beagle see people.
I have him on video. He looks really high. He's right by that last pine tree on the right.
Oh, it's a decent bull. It's a decent bull. I think there's also one down here, but that's a decent bull. I'm glad I didn't decide to go after them because that's what I thought they'd do. I don't think we could do it.
So what are we going to do?
We're going to work our way over here, and we're going to try to catch them in their beds. So we're not going to make any noise, like any bugles or anything, until we get over there. And we're going to see if we can catch him in his beds, in his herd, because then he'll come,
Okay.
and only then.
Got a little spring here. Went down south of it a little bit. Dug a hole. Got our water supply replenished, and now we're going after that herd bull. So, we're ready to head up over this mountain and see if we can catch up to them. Find them in their beds, hopefully. Look at the fall. Unreal.
Falcon.
Yes, he lands. Where'd you hit him, Destry?
Here.
I thought you hit him real close to the neck and everything. That's a monster.
It's a monster.
We'll be able to look at the footage, see where you sunk the arrow, see if it's vital, and we'll go from there, but we'll give him a long time. I don't think he went for it. Do you hear him? Right off the bat, we have a lot of blood. Everything's up high. He looked in this next tree over.
I think he went like up there.
Yes.
I think.
Looks like it's spraying out of him like Destry may hit an artery on this shot. We're here tracking Destry's elk, and I found my first shed antler, elk antler ever. So it's right on the blood too. We've been on the blood for about 100 yards or more now, so we're just going to keep going at it. Let me get this thing out of there. Really nice shape too. 2, 3, 4, 6 points. You can see right here, he came to this point. There's a lot of blood, and he couldn't work his way through it. So we just backtracked up out and just got back on the blood. And just to give a visual, this kind of blood trail we're working with, it's just a non-stop steady stream, and we have been on it forever in some really tough timber. But you know, it's offering a really nice blood trail. So I think I see your bull, Destry. I see your bull. No crap. There he is, Dad.
Wow.
You got him.
Wow. Wow, Ben.
You did
a lot
it.
of tracking and some good luck. Now we pay. All right, then. Your first Colorado experience.
Best experience in the outdoors of my life, Destry.
Oh my God.
Thanks a million.
All right.
It's hard to believe this experience started 20 years ago in a military
I know.
barracks.
It did, with a lot of talking.
I said, Destry pulls out a picture, and I said, that's a nice postcard.
Yeah.
And I said, let me see that. I looked at the back. I said, that is a picture. Where is that? He said, it's my home.
Yeah.
I said, I want to go there someday. He said, we'll go there someday together. It's 20 years ago.
All righty.
Thanks, Destry.
Thank you, Ben. All right.
No, I'm good. We'll keep moving. Destry just heated up the water. I got the fire going. We're back to camp. And he's cooking us dinner. It looks like beef stew tonight.
Indeed it is.
And tomorrow we'll be packing out and getting all the meat and getting the antlers out of here. And headed back home and most likely doing some fishing. Is that breakfast?
What a breakfast anyway.
Beef jerky breakfast. Percolating fresh coffee in the mountains.
You don't get better.
No, it doesn't.
This bull, pretty good bull, pretty good Colorado bull. It's a 6-point, 6x6. Got a broken off thing here, which is unfortunate, but he's still got enough to be considered a point there. So it's 6x6. He's got relatively good front tines here as far as length goes. Really good third point. Very decent, pretty decent rail tines here. A decent split in the back. But what he is mostly, it's a pretty thick, hefty bull as far as his thickness. Very solidly put together. I think he's a little bit older bull from the looks of it. Nice bull. Width-wise, probably about average for some bull. He's not narrow, but he's not wide either. Still pretty good. Good bull.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Mmm.
That's the freshest water there is. Drinking some cool water with the Monster Cup.
Monster Cup. Doesn't get any better than this.
No, we're on our way down. And got a good little pull ahead of us, but we're home free.
I think I lost at least
10 I know.
pounds. I was thin coming into this trip from getting in shape. But wow.
I know.
I don't even want to step on a scale. My mom said I was anorexic looking before I left. I don't want her to see me. I need to feed up when we get back.
All right, Mr. Ben.
Cheers.
Cheers.